Hey guys, welcome back to That Girl Diary. C9 here. Today's video is going to be a DIY on a brown sugar lip scrub. Now as you can tell, my lipstick is already starting to peel off. I've been picking it off, have dead skin all over my lips. So I found a really cool, really simple DIY project. It includes only 2 ingredients, brown sugar and petroleum jelly. So during my soft research, I found that a lot of people use coconut oil with the brown sugar. I did see somebody use petroleum jelly, coconut oil, just a whole bunch of different oils along with the brown sugar. But because I don't have olive oil, the only thing any other type of oil I have is like tea tree oil, and I don't want to put that on my lips. So because I don't have all of these extra oils, I'm just gonna go with what I have at home. Petroleum jelly, brown sugar. Let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna do it in this little shot glass because I don't know how this gonna turn out and I didn't want to waste it. So taking my dark brown sugar. So now that I have it all mixed together, looks like a really good scrub. I'm gonna place it all over my lip. This is my first time I'm actually doing this, by the way. I like that the petroleum jelly is actually nourishing my lips, while the brown sugar is softly exfoliating. I feel like this is just about to get really messy. Let's put it everywhere. I look crazy. So now I'm just gonna take a rag and wipe it off. My lips feel really nice. Yes, no dead skin. A little bit of sugar residue, but my lips feel really nice. So for the rest of it, I'm probably just gonna put in like a really small, for the rest of this that's left over, I'm just gonna put in a really small container and store it for later. I definitely would recommend this. Again, it's brown sugar and petroleum jelly. Works wonders. This was my first time doing it. So if you don't have all those extra oils and you just need a little quick lip scrub, this is the thing to do. Thank you for watching That Girl Diary. See you next time. Bye.